Right, guys, so turn on the induction cooker, turn it on, then put it on fry, then it is on 35 wherever unit is at. Then I put oil in here. Excuse for this. I don't know if it's hot already or what. I'm not sure. So I bought danggit earlier when I went to school. Oh, this is the danggit. Look at that. This, how much is that? 173. This one, it's a boneless danggit. It's a boneless danggit, you know that? Okay. Is it good now for frying? Like, here, I got it open, then I'll just take, I don't know how many danggit should I fry. Oh, wait. I gotta pee. My mom told me to listen maybe at 2K. No, I don't know how to fry. Help me out. Okay. Skimpit, what's skimpit? Nagulay. Help you. Abang. That hurts. Mayday. Excuse, can you separate? Because we need you guys to separate. Okay. I'm frying while videotaping. Oh, what the? Ouch. That freaking hurt. Ouch. Ouch. Is this good already? I don't know. I have no idea. Aray, po. Oh, it's too hot. Too hot. Does this cook fast or not? Like, I think my mom is coming. She will be inspecting. She is the inspector. Oh no, wait. Ouch. What's that? What's that good already? I don't know, guys. Help me. I want to eat this kind of a bulag. But my mom won't cook it for me because she don't eat bulag. My mom don't eat bulag. I don't know why. She's too sassy for the bulag. There. What? Look, can you see it, guys? It's smoking. Should I lessen the heat? My mom is asking her, who am I talking to? Oh, my mom scolded me. Why it took so long? Well, I think it's already burnt. It's already burnt, guys. Oh my goodness. I think that's enough. Wow! I think this is enough. Let me turn it up. There. I think this is enough. I feel like it's burnt already. It smells burnt. What should I do with this extra? What should I do with this extra? Anyways, that's it for this video, guys. I will be titling it with how to fry a boneless danggit. And yeah, that's it. I hope you learn from my mistake. Bye. Oh, did it not? Oh, no, okay. Bye again.